Well, hello. I thought I'd do a quick midweek video that I can just upload off my phone. A few people have asked like what happens to the boat when the tide goes out, which it is now very much out. That is just mud, no water to be seen. So here the chart datum for this area is 1.7 meters below chart datum, so that means that the lowest astronomical tide, the actual tide line, is 1.7 meters below where I'm stood, which means obviously everything dries out and becomes mud. So a lot of this is river silt. When you can see the tidal range there, it's about 7 meters. So the tide gets all the way up there, which it will do in a few hours, 6 hours or so. So what happens is the boats just sit down into the soft mud. I don't know if you can see there, they sort of make their own little ponds to sit in. I don't know why this focus has just gone. Well, that was weird. Yeah, so we all get our own little ponds, which is why when I was on the other side of the marina over there, the boat didn't sit right because I didn't have my own little pond. You can probably see it more clearly on this one. It's because it's really soft river silt. We just make our own little beds. Apparently the marina is being dredged at some point in the future. But yeah, here's my girl with everything on the bow looking a mess. But as you can see, oh, there must be something on the camera or something. How's that? Professional round here. So yeah, we are effectively on the hard. When the tide comes in another 2 meters, what is happening? We'll be floating again, which is good because there's been an awful swelling for the last 2 nights, so I've been rocking and rolling all over the gaff. But yeah, this is what happens. I've got my own little pond. And obviously the force of the mud pushing on the sides of the boat shouldn't exceed the force of the water that would have been pushing on the side of the boat, because that's how buoyancy works, I think. As long as it's pressing equally everywhere on the hull, which I think it is. Oh yeah, that's my engine. Spoiler alert. So yeah, that's what happens. In a few hours I'll be all the way up there. Thanks for watching. New video tomorrow.